Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn on how you can hide the notification badges on your app library. Since some people prefer having their Apple library free of notifications badges, well, in this video I'll be showing you how that is done. And hopefully your end up can have a good display than it had before. So it's simple. Let's start by opening settings. Now that the settings and open, you can see if any more tools to work with. So this is where we going to turn off the notifications on Apple library. So simply slide down on home screen. And now that the home screen is open, you can see all these tools to work with, such as this first section, which is related to the apps that I've downloaded. And on the bottom we have the notifications app library. So if you want to turn off your app library notifications, simply start by turning off the It's button. And now if you go back and check, you said that the notifications on the badges have all gone. From now on you can manage your app library notifications. However, if you wish to turn it on again, simply go back to the settings and then turn the app library notifications app on again. And now as you can see, the notification are back on the notification badges. And so that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you're new, please make sure you subscribe.